Hello everyone, today my outlook will talk about why elephants are important to the environment. Let's start. Now you can pause it. You can see the first thing. You can listen. They talk about elephant are keystone species vital for ecosystem health. As keystone species, elephants play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Their intelligence, large size enable them to create habitats that benefit many other species. Uh, what are you thinking?
I agree
Thinking,
with you.
Lâm,
I agree with you.
you can.
Elephant see vital way in ecosystem and control growing. Elephants protect their habitat. They focusing forest reforestation and testing it through their feeding and movement while creating gaps in the Japanese elephant promote regeneration and facilitate movement for smaller animals.
Okay. I wait. I think they talk really next đi cắt elephant ecosystem during elephant victory and also elephant play a crucial role in nutrient distribution and ecosystem maintenance.
human have
What about you?
I think elephant has crucial in the rainforest space. They provide essential nutrients, serving as a food source for butterfly and supporting variety. And they forage from trees, enhancing growth and contributing to healthier forest ecosystem.
Okay, I agree for you.
You might already know that elephants are large and majestic. but the extent of their size and intelligence may surprise you. Elephants are the largest living land animal. On average, African elephants are about 10 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh up to 18,000 pounds. The largest elephant in recorded history, however, was 13 feet tall and weighed about 24,000 pounds. To sustain this massive size, an adult elephant has to consume an enormous amount. Up to 50 gallons of water and about 220 pounds of food, or approximately 70,000 calories every day. Elephant size, however, ends up restricting their movement. While they can walk and swim, elephants are one of the few mammals that can't jump. Their legs are too slender to propel their enormous weight upward. Plus, elephants don't have any spring in their legs since they stand on their toes. Elephants are intelligent creatures. One sign of their intellect is their ability to recognize themselves in a mirror. The only other animals capable of doing this are humans, great apes, dolphins, and magpies. Intelligence is also found in elephants' ability to problem solve with tools, but probably the most well-known form of elephant intelligence is their superb memory. As they migrate from place to place throughout their lives, elephants can remember locations of water sources along their migration routes. Elephants are the only living animals with long trunks. Trunks, which are a combination of a nose and upper lip, can be heavy and powerful. They contain about 150,000 muscle units and can weigh nearly 300 pounds. While an elephant's trunk can lift objects nearly twice its size, it's also adept at picking up small objects. Flap-like projections on the end of a trunk are precise enough to pick up individual berries or leaves. Outside of grasping, elephants also use their trunks to greet and reassure one another. They may intertwine their trunks or touch the face of other elephants to show affection. Elephant tusks are essentially giant teeth. Much like human teeth, elephant tusks are made of a material called dentine. The major difference is that elephant dentine has a diamond pattern that makes it super strong and gives it luster. Young elephants even go through a set of baby teeth, but theirs include baby tusks. They fall out after about a year and are replaced with a permanent set that can grow 6 feet long and weigh 50 pounds each. Unfortunately, elephants have been illegally hunted for their tusks. Demand for ivory products, which are made from tusks, has caused elephant populations to decline. African elephants are not endangered, but their Asian cousins are. African elephants are listed as vulnerable, and some countries in southern Africa are even experiencing an overpopulation of African elephants. Asian elephant populations have decreased immensely. The species' habitat once stretched across Asia, from Syria to northern China. But today, they only exist in isolated pockets between India and Indonesia. Habitat fragmentation, poaching for ivory, and conflict with local farmers are all factors that put elephant populations at risk. But by studying the complicated nature of conservation, we can come closer to finding a way that both people and elephants, with their exceptional intelligence and larger-than-life presence, can peacefully coexist.
ecosystem. Reducing human elephant conflict and enhancing ocean prevention. Initiative support their survival, increasing awareness and stopping the evolution are essential to protect elephant habitats.
Yeah. And now I think we know mainly about elephant and why elephants are important to the environment. And thanks for listening.